Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see by the title, it happened again. If you're new here to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button, don't forget to click the bell for notifications as well so you know when I bring out a new video. So if you saw my last video where I bought the Dior oblique like sheer t-shirt, you might have seen me mention that I was after a certain other piece from Dior as well. And yeah, it happened. I felt like I was on a hunt for it, and I just hunted so much that when I actually found it, I was like, well, I can't not get it now because then all my time has been wasted in vain. So I went into a couple of Dior stores. I was actually with my friend Yanin. We're in Selfridges, and I'd been into the Dior store on Bond Street when I first got my oblique sneaker. Well, yeah, when I first tried to get my oblique sneakers, I went to the Dior store on Bond Street, and they were like, no, we don't have any left, like all the saddlebags are gone as well. I was like, oh, okay. And then, but also obviously because they've been reintroduced to the women's a few seasons ago, all the women's saddlebags are really, really beautiful. And then that day with my friend Yanin got the oblique women's one, and I was like, oh, it's so pretty. And I kept seeing her style it on Instagram, and I was like, oh, it's really, really nice. I was like, I wish I could find the one that I want in the men's. Oh, by the way, I'm getting ready because my mum's coming to stay for a few days, and I've literally just like blitzed and cleaned the entire apartment, and now I have to go pick her up from Euston Station. Son duties. So yeah, so when I was in Dior, I asked if they had what I wanted was the black Dior saddlebag with the white contrast stitching and the silver buckle, because I noticed a lot online that one was out of stock. You couldn't get it anywhere, and the only ones that were in stock online were these, so like the all black saddlebag, so there's no white stitching, the buckle is black itself, the Alex, still struggle, buckle itself was black as well, which is cool, but I just think that if I'm wearing like something black, then this will all just kind of blend in, and I like the pop of colour that the silver buckle has. So then you've got the oblique version as well. This is cheaper, this is 1,900, and the black one is 2,050. These ones are both still available. They're easier to come by than the other one, and I do like this one as well, but I wasn't like loving it too much. Now there are new versions that have come up as well that Kim Jones posted on his Instagram. So we've got a black oblique bag as well, again with the black buckle, which is really, really nice again, but not something that I want to shoot for. And then we also have an all white one. Now this is an exclusive for a store in China, the white oblique sneakers as well. So I don't think we'll be seeing a lot of these around, but it is really, really nice. And you've got this silver buckle and then like a tan kind of strap with it too, but that's beautiful. So yeah, that was all that was showing on the Dior site in terms of saddlebags at the time of filming. I don't know if they will get more on. You've got these other variations as well of like pouches. But yeah, what I wanted was this. You know, a lot of people in the last video where I was asking people whether I thought it was worth it for a $500 t-shirt was actually so much more positive than I expected. I really thought you guys would be like, what are you doing, that's a waste of money. I mean, of course there were a few people that were like, that was a waste of money. But most of the response was super, super positive. So I was kind of shook by that. And I know this bag is super, super expensive and not everyone can afford it. So I'm extremely privileged and lucky to be able to be in a position where I can buy things like this. Don't get me wrong. A lot of people on my last video said I was stupid with money. I don't disagree with that, because there are other things that I could be spending money on. I'm interested in fashion. I am super obsessed with clothing and personal style. Here's me justifying it again. But no, it's really important to me, and things like Kim Jones being at Dior, or like Virgil Abloh being at Louis Vuitton, it means a lot in our society and culture, and to be able to support and be a part of that is, I don't know, it feels special to me. What I've been playing with here is they gave me a spring summer lookbook as well. I know spring summer is like nearly at an end, especially in stores, but look how fancy this is. So you've got all the looks from the spring summer 19 show, which is a quite nice touch. So yeah, that's a little bit that came with it. Good one, Joel. And so we have the dust bag that it came in. So this was from Selfridges in the end. They managed to get it from me from a store in Italy. There was one left for a store opening and they shipped it from Italy to Selfridges just for me. So I was like, I have to buy this bag now. Pressure. But this is exactly what I wanted and I was so happy when it finally came in and I was like, yay! Because apparently they've discontinued this style now as well. So literally, if you didn't get it when it came out, then that's it. So this is the bag. It's got loads of stuffing in it, 1 second. So you have the main saddlebag section with these little kind of like ribbon things, I would say. It looks like it was a bow tied and then like a ribbons hanging down. It's in black pebbled leather with a white contrast stitch. It has Dior written on the back. You then have like a popper clasp to open up the bag, and inside you have a silver zip. And then you have the main compartment of the bag here. And then the strap is probably the most interesting part of it, just because there's a couple different ways that you can wear it on your body. You then have the Christian Dior strap, so it has Christian Dior printed on it. Not sure if you can see it in this lighting. And then you have the Gallucks Christian Dior buckle as well, which comes apart like that. Kind of like a seatbelt. And then my boyfriend Scott said it's like a hairdressing bag. So it's many things. So now I have a lunchbox, a pencil case, my first purse, and my hairdressing bag. But I'll show you how it looks on the body. So I think the most straightforward way of wearing it is around the front, like this. So you have the buckle showing at the front and the bag kind of to the side in this way. Or then you can wear it at the back. So you literally just have the strap and the little nod of the buckle there, and then it's around your back in that way. I've seen guys literally just holding it in more of a clutch kind of style as well. A few weeks ago, I was kind of wearing it just over one shoulder, like this. I guess you could wear it on the front as well. There's quite a few different ways that you can wear it. But yeah, I have to head off because I have to go get my mum from the station. What I wanted to ask you was, what do you guys think of the saddlebag? Do you think it's a good investment? What do you think of the design? I honestly can't wait to style this with loads of outfits. I think it's going to be really fun and great for summer. My catchphrase, great for summer. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.